Navigating the razor's edge, understanding, dicing with death. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that paints a vivid picture of risk and danger. Dicing with death. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's explore what it means to dice with death, its origins, and how you can use it in conversation. The phrase, dicing with death, is used to describe engaging in very risky or dangerous behavior. Imagine someone playing dice, a game of chance, where the stakes are not money or points, but their own life. It vividly portrays the idea of tempting fate or taking actions where the risk of harm or death is high. This expression is often used to highlight the seriousness of the risk involved in someone's actions, whether it's extreme sports, reckless driving, or any activity where there's a significant danger involved. While the exact origin of dicing with death is hard to pin down, it's clear that it comes from the idea of gambling or taking a chance with something as precious as one's life. The phrase taps into the long-standing human tradition of using games of chance to represent the uncertainty and risks inherent in our choices. Dicing with death is not just a way to describe personal risk-taking. It's also used in literature, movies, and everyday language to convey the critical moments when characters or individuals confront danger head-on. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. 1. Climbing Mount Everest without proper equipment is like dicing with death. The risks are incredibly high. 2. Racing cars at high speeds on busy streets is not just illegal, it's dicing with death. 3. The documentary showcased thrill-seekers who dice with death by base jumping from skyscrapers. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in discussing various forms of risk-taking. To use dicing with death effectively, consider the context of risk and the seriousness of the situation. It's a powerful expression for emphasizing the gravity of an action or decision. You can use it in both formal discussions and casual conversations to express concern, admiration, or criticism of risky behaviors. Remember, the phrase carries a weight of danger and should be used when you truly mean to highlight extreme risks. We hope this exploration of dicing with death has illuminated this fascinating phrase for you. English is filled with expressions that can enrich your communication, bringing color and depth to the way you express ideas and emotions. So, the next time you encounter someone taking a significant risk, you'll have the perfect phrase to describe their daring endeavors. Stay curious, and happy learning!